go surfing now, everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me. Come on a safari. Early in the morning we'll be starting now. Some honeys will be making the scene. I'll load up my woolly with the boards on top, and I put on my favorite blue jeans.
Of dit nou vintage, retro of old school is, minis was gewild en nou weer beslis. Krimpeline was in die 60 en 70er jare in, maar dit maak vir vandagse jong mense geen sin. Verlustig jou dan nou aan rokkies uit toenderjare se kus en bring dan terug die onthou, want authentiek is elkeen gewis.
Let's go surfing now, everybody's learning now. Come on a safari with me. Come on a safari with me. Surfing is big in Sunset Beach. They do it in South Africa too. They're all getting stoked on the surfing craze, from Hawaii to the shores of Peru. So now let's go surfing, surfing to sea. Yes, I'm surfing, surfing to sea. Go surfing, surfing to sea. Yes, I'm surfing, surfing to sea. Let's go surfing now, everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me.
As student in die laat 60s was ons onderwysinrigting se lese leef vir die kinders. Typies student leef ons toe vir die naweek, want die kinders kom ons vanself.